Hi students, hope you are feeling fine. Now we want to learn how to draw line AB equals 90 millimeter and divide it in the ratio of 3 and 5. How can we do this? The first thing you do, don't forget, whenever you were giving your question, don't forget your margin line and your title block. Don't forget your margin line and your title block. So next, you draw a line. Just draw any line, horizontal line, as long as you wish. After drawing horizontal line as long as you wish, locate a point A on your horizontal line. So at the intersection of your point and the line is where you will start to measure whatever you are asked to measure. Then we'll call it A. What do we ask to measure? We are asked to measure AB equals 90 millimeter. So from my ruler, I will start from 0. You can see that I start from point 0. I will look for 9. Because I'm using centimeter ruler, so I will look for 9. Because 9 centimeter is also equals to 90 millimeter. So I've looked for 9. I'll draw B. So this is B. Then this is 90 millimeter. I have measured from A to B 90 millimeter. If you just put 0 behind the figure on the centimeter ruler, you will get millimeter. If you put 0 behind 1, you get 10 millimeter. Put 0 behind 2, 20 millimeter, just like that. Then what next? If you remember in the last edition, we divide into 6 equal parts and we divide into 8 equal parts. You are to draw any line from your starting point. Your starting point is A here. My starting point is A, then I draw any line from A down. That's it. When I finish drawing any line from A down, I will now divide this line into the ratio. How do I get the ratio? All you need to do is just add the ratio together. Just add to the ratio together. Then I'm to draw into ratio 3, ratio 5. All I need to do is add the ratio together. 3 plus 5, which is equals to 8. So I need to divide the line into 8 equal parts using my compass. Then I will take equal division. You can take any measurement of your choice, but I want to use 5 millimeter, which will make my work neat and correct, and I need my draughtsmanship score. So I use 5 millimeter. You can see how I pick 5 millimeter. Can you see? So that's 5 millimeter. I hope you see it very well. That is 5 millimeter. Alright. So I will now place my compass from the starting point, which is A. So, which is A, you can see that. So I will start to point it. 1. I'm dividing into 8 equal parts. This 1. This 2. You can see you have to place your compass on the intersection of your arc and the line. That's 3. You can see how I'm putting my compass. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. That's 7 and 8. You can indicate it. This 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've divided this line into 8 equal parts. All I need to do is first join the last division, the point 8 and point B. I will join it together. That's the first step. I'll join point 8 and point B together. Make sure you set it very well. that the line will pass through the intersections. I've done that. Then initially in the last lesson, you see that we just pick our set square, you set it at the line. Make sure your set square is straight on the line you draw last on 8 and B. You place your ruler under it. Then on the last version, we need to pick it one after the other, isn't it? Alright, but this section now, we are dividing into just two ratio, 3 and 5, which means I will move my set square to 3. 3 is the first division, which means I will first take 3 division, then the remaining part will be 5. So I will move it to 3. Just move your set square to 3. Can you see? And you draw your line. I think you can see very well. I have picked the line I drew, 8 and B. I set my set square there. I place my ruler under it so that my set square can slide straight on it and move. Then I push it to 3. Then I draw on 3. If you see the division now, from 0 to 3, that's division 3, which is 3. Then ratio 5. 5 will be the second one. If you count the remaining one, it will be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So with this, I have been able to answer the question that says, draw line AB equals 90 millimeter and divide it in the ratio of 3 and 5. So I have divided 90 millimeter into 3 ratio 5. I hope you've enjoyed this. Do not hide your knowledge. Do not hide wisdom. Let others enjoy from you. Remember to subscribe, share with your friends and family, and try to like this. I love you.